7th class maths, page number 11. Third problem. Okay. Third problem is a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature after 10 hours the process begins? Okay. Rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. Decreasing. This is decreasing. What will be the room temperature after 10 hours? After 10 hours. Here given present room temperature is equal to 40 degrees centigrade. 40 degrees centigrade దగ్గర నుంచి తగ్గిపోతూ వచ్చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. 5 డిగ్రీ అవర్ కి 5 డిగ్రీ సెంటిగ్రేడ్ తగ్గిపోతూ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అయితే ఆఫ్టర్ 10 అవర్స్ తర్వాత రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ ఎంత ఉంటుందో అడిగింది. ఆఫ్టర్ 10 అవర్స్ వాట్ విల్ బి ది రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 10 అవర్స్ after the process begins. So here third problem solution. At present the room temperature is equal to at present the room temperature is equal to 40 degrees centigrade. At present the room temperature is equal to 40 degrees centigrade. Okay. At present the room temperature 40 degrees centigrade. The total decrease in temperature after 10 hours. The total decrease in temperature after 10 hours at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade a hour is equal to 10 into 5 is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. 50 degrees total decrease in after 10 hours at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade after every hour. That means 10 into 5 is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. 50 degrees centigrade. The temperature after 10 hours is equal to 40 degrees centigrade minus 50 degrees centigrade is equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade. After 10 hours, the temperature is minus 10 degrees centigrade. See all of you once. See all of you. Okay. At present the room temperature is equal to 40 degrees centigrade given. Okay. After 40 degrees centigrade, after every hour decreasing temperature at the rate of 5 degree centigrade per hour. అవర్ కి 5 డిగ్రీ సెంటీగ్రేడ్ తగ్గిపోతూ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అయితే ఆఫ్టర్ 10 అవర్స్ ది రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ is equal to 40 degree centigrade minus 10 into 5 50 degree centigrade is equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade. This is third problem. Now fourth problem. Okay. Fourth problem. What is fourth problem? In a class test containing 10 questions. Okay. 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Listen carefully, all of you. 3 marks awarded for every correct answer. Every correct answer, how many marks are? 3 marks. And minus 1 mark is the every incorrect answer. ఒక్కో రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే కనుక దానికి ఒక మార్క్ తీసేస్తాను. ఓకే, సో ప్రజెంట్ రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ ఈక్వల్ 40 డిగ్రీ సెంటీగ్రేడ్. ది డిక్రీజ్ ఇన్ టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 10 hours at the rate of 5 degree centigrade per hour. 10 into 5 is equal to 50 degree centigrade. The temperature after 10 hours. The room temperature after 10 hours. Here, right? The room temperature. Room temperature after 10 hours. 40 minus 50 is equal to minus 10 degree centigrade. Next problem. Next problem is in a class test containing 10 questions. 3 marks are awarded for every correct answers, and minus 1 mark for every incorrect answer. Okay, and 0 for questions not attempted. Gopi gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? First problem. In a class test containing in a class test containing 10 questions. Three marks are awarded for every correct answer. Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? What is his score? Resma gets 7 correct answers. And 3 incorrect answers. 3 incorrect answers. 3 incorrect answers. What is her score? Rasmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect. Incorrect answers. Out of 7 questions. Out of 7 questions. See, attempted. Attempts. What is her score? Listen careful, all of you. Test containing 10 questions. Test containing 10 questions. 3 marks are awarded for correct answers and -1 mark is for incorrect answers. Okay. 0 for questions not attempted. Correct raste 3 marks, wrong raste 1 mark deduction, attempt చేయకపోతే 0 ఏం లేదు 0. So first one, Gopi gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? Gopi gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. 5 correct and 5 incorrect. What is his score? Gopi's score is equal to 5 into correct answers plus 5 into incorrect answers. Okay, is equal to 5 into correct answers. How many marks? 3 marks. 5 into 3 plus 5 into -1. Incorrect answers how many marks? 1 mark. So 5 into -1. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 1s are -5. 15 plus or minus? 15 minus 5 is equal to 10 marks. Gopi score is equal to 10. Gopi score is equal to 10. Are you understand or not? Okay. Gopi score is equal to 10. Gopi score is equal to 10. Okay. Next one. Gopi score is equal to 10. Next one. Rasma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. Rasma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. second one. This is first one. This is second one. Rasma score is equal to Rasma gets 7 correct answers. 7 into correct answers plus 3 into incorrect answers is equal to 7 correct answers means 7 into 3 correct answers 3 marks and 3 into minus 1. 7 into 3 21 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 21 plus or minus is equal to 18. 21 minus 18. 21 minus 18. Okay. Next one. Rasmi gets 3 correct answers and 4 incorrect answers. She attempts only 7 questions only. Remaining 3 questions not attempted. She was not attempted. So Rasmi score is equal to Rasmi score is equal to 3 into correct answers plus 4 into incorrect answers is equal to 3 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1. 3 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1 because 7 questions only attempted, 3 correct, 4 wrong. 3 3s are 9 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to how much? 5. So Rasmi's score is equal to 9. Rasmi's score is equal to 9. Okay. Sorry, Rasmi's score is equal to 5. Rasmi's score is equal to 5. Are you understand this problem? Okay. What we have learned today? Gopi's score is equal to Gopi attempted all questions, but 3 questions correct, 5 questions correct answers, 5 questions wrong. 5 into 3, 15 plus half minus 1 minus 5. 5 15 minus 5, 10. And Rasma 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. So 7 into 3, 21. Next 21 plus half minus 3. 21 minus 3, 18. Okay. 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. Rasmi attempts only 7 questions only attempts. And 3 questions correct answers and 4 questions incorrect answers. So 3 into correct answers means 3 marks and 4 into incorrect answers minus 1. So 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into y minus 1 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Are you understand? Okay, thank you.